Hello everyone, welcome to part 100 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 100 here is really just a repetition of a principle we were just talking about not even that many parts ago. Again, this is the idea that we should value others, love others, and instead of pointing out their fallacies and their arguments and how they did it wrong, instead let's try to communicate instead of trying to win. That's basically it for this principle, since I already covered this one not even that long ago, because if you've missed that one, it was in a video like 2 videos ago on this. And I think it's really important to really understand that it's about loving others, it's about communicating with others instead of trying to win. The ego always wants to win over working with people and understanding people. It's a lot harder to try to understand somebody than it is to beat somebody in an argument or a fight. So basically that's the idea here. Try to communicate with people, don't just hate on them. Next time I will see you guys with the final part of this series, part 101. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.